How to add products on Instagram Shop. Hello everyone, my name is Mal, and in this video I will show you how you can do that. So to know how you can do it, watch this video till the very end and make sure you follow the following steps. Install the latest version of Instagram so that you won't miss out any features. Log into your profile and now make sure that your Instagram is not private. Change it to public and then change it to your business account. Simply go on the top right side, scroll down and down, see on account privacy. Since my account is not private, when you tap on this, your account will be switched on to private account, but I don't want it. So I will simply go back. After you change your account to business account, when you tap on the edit profile option, you will be able to see the option of action button. But since I don't see any option of action button right here, what else can I do is simply tap on the link and tap on add external link, and then I will simply tap and paste my online shop link right here and then tap the title right here. And then that's how I can open my own online shop on Instagram. But if you see the option of action button right there, then you will be shown that you can make your own Instagram online shop right there. But yes, you can simply go on the business tools and control and connect to your online shop and add branded content and add payments and everything right here, by which you can actually make your own Instagram online shop. So yes, this is how you do it. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this, and comment in our comment section.